G'day, it's Al, Sunstate Roofing. Another beautiful day in Southside Gympie, and today I'm just going to show you how we set up a job with our safety requirements and other requirements that we'll go through. So you'll notice we've got barricade around the materials. That's just to keep everyone safe, and that's pedestrians, workers and any of the owners. We have a first aid kit and a sunscreen and usually a water bottle. You'll see we've already had edge protection installed, so that's to stop any guys falling off the roof, and that's like a scaffold system. You usually put all the screws just at an easily accessed place and then just cover it up so they don't get wet. We use skip bags instead of skip bins. We just found skip bins sometimes damage the grass and the driveways, so we just lay out the skip bins and throw any rubbish in there just to keep it all clean. So one of the main requirements when we're doing any construction work is just to have a site-specific risk assessment there, and that's just the checklist, just going through all the details, make sure that we're complying and we're safe. We also have our safe work method statement, the SWIMS, and the guys sign on to that. Then we also have a toolbox. So we just place the important workplace health and safety docs behind the sign here. We like to set up all jobs exactly the same so there's no confusion, and we also like to maintain a clean site. So when you drive past one of our sites, it just looks a little bit different from everyone else's. It looks well maintained, well set up, and yeah, it looks very safe for everyone. We want to keep everyone safe, the workers, the pedestrians and the owners.